In this video we will start the startup. Okay, see, startup is a company or a project initiated by an entrepreneur to seek effectively develop and validate a scalable business model. And while entrepreneurship refers to all new businesses, including self employment and business that never tend to become registered, startups refers to the new businesses that intend to grow larger beyond the solo founder. So, startup faces high uncertainty and having high rates of the failure, but a minority of them to do go on be successful and influential. So some startup become unicorns, that is privately held startup business valued at over 1 billion. So when we start a startup, first of all we choose the final thing ki what are the necessary checklists for a startup. There is a checklist for starting a new business. When we plan, we assess yourself as a business potential owner, how to determine the concept of feasibility, examine the critical issues, make important decision, investigate legal consideration and requirement, develop business plan, and arranging the financing. So first thing is that ki our we one has to assess himself for a business potential owner and determine concept feasibility. He had to define ideas, re-evaluate the ideas, gather the information, assess the feasibility, and the feasibility when he will determine such kind of ideas or assess him or herself, then whether should we start, yes or no. If there is a core key, no you can't because there is insufficient data, then we have to again re-evaluate the ideas, information and feasibility. And if yes, then we have to examine the critical issues and make the decision, investigate the legal considerations, develop business plans and arrange our business financially, and definitely the startup will be get to the boom. So, what are the various parameters to assess one as a potential business owners? Okay, so it is very critical to evaluate your personal things, your personal weakness along with your strength or your personal skills. See, a person is honest to him or herself. He knows what's going right or wrong. So, when we say a checklist, there has developed a checklist. So what are the personal characteristics? Are you have a potential of a leader? Are you confident? Do you like to make your own decision? Do you handle responsibility well? Do you thoroughly plan your project and from start to finish? Are you self-disciplined and independent, flexible, read business publication, or possess computer skills? Are you aware of your current credit training? So, are you or your spouse willing to dip into your savings if necessary to help the business or to help or support the business? So, will your spouse income be sufficient to support your family without the income from your business? And from this personal characteristics, we demand of owning our own business. We have to um, analyze ourselves. For this, we have to realize that the running a business may require a long hours and reduce personal income. We have an emotional stand. Have we? Have we have a good health to work the workload? Have we prepared to temporarily lower our standard of living until our business is firmly established? Or is our family will be prepared to support us? So, these are the basic questions that we have experiences. So, for the business experiences and management skills, again we have to question ourselves about what what business or potential things we are going to have. Do the basic skills we require to succeed in a business is to possess those skills and to discover that we not have the basic skills for the business, and will we delay our plans or to acquire them. So we have to ask these questions to ourselves. We have to ask we have to do amount of a self analysis before initiating any startup. So this self analysis will definitely help us in a way to build our confidence, or to whether to decide that we have to go for it or we have not to go for it, because financially, emotionally, physically, we have to be strong for a startup. And if we are investing in a startup, we have to work for the we have to work for, and we have to be prepare ourselves for any outcome that will come in the way. Whether it's a positive, then our business will go on a hike, and whether it's a negative, then we have to re-observe